all in all, I mean, as you can see, that's what it takes to do a door. This is what it takes to do an entire side, and you're just going to repeat and do on the other side. You're going to do the exact same thing. And if in some of the places where you could use template links and you've duplicated them, then it's going to go much faster because you already have the sizes that you need to cut through it. You should also be getting faster and working with the material and how to cut around circles. So at this point, if you haven't done the rest of your doors, go ahead and finish those up. Go ahead and finish up the floor. And then we'll also take a look at the back a little bit because we don't want to have any extra bare metal there. Of course, we've got the spare tire and some other things here in this particular X5 that might be in that space. So we'll make an evaluation of how we want to use that space and sound skin it off. But also, then we'll also be looking to put it all back together. Now, it's going to be the exact same thing. So in this case, you want to lay the carpet down. Don't forget to put your vents back in. And all of these pieces are going to fit back together as you took them apart. So I'm going to take this side down and go do the other side, but we're getting close to seeing how you can do the entire process and have this done for yourself.